We've got market open coming up on your screens. It's up about 0.2% in the Nifty, 0.2 on the Nifty Bank, similar amounts on the small cap index and I guess on the mid cap index as well. We'll see if we're able to build on some of this, but it's 30 points basically, around 26,100 once again on the index, 58,990 or so on the Nifty Bank, 59,000 now on the Nifty Bank. Mid caps are flat, small cap index is absolutely flat as well. Nifty 50 heat map gives you a quick sense of where we're likely to start, and then we'll pick it up from there. It is 25 up and 25 down as far as the screen goes. Infi, Indigo, Wipro, etc. on one end, Eternal, Mahindra, and Tata Motors passenger vehicle on the other side. Surabhi.
Yeah, absolutely. It's IT all the way, and the IT index is the best performer. I mean, so far this month, it's put on about 4%, and now you have that Motilal Oswal call coming in. They are quite optimistic on basic large IT services. So Infosys, Wipro, HCL Tech Mahindra, TCS, all of those stocks up there. Infosys is leading the charge with a gain of nearly 2%. Interglobe Aviation is the other one that's flying high this morning, 1.25% up. L&T is chipping in a little bit. There's some support coming in from ICICI Bank, a little bit of green on Axis Bank as well. And then there is Lever, which is contributing about 0.25% at this point in time. Hindalco, which had obviously a rough last week thanks to another fire at Novelis. This morning it's seeing some green, 0.5% up. Now on the downside, Eternal is down about 1%. Actually, let's watch out for its peer Swiggy. It was down about 1.5% in the pre-open session. Still is. So these two stocks are down between 1 to 2%. M&M, BEL, and Tata Motors are some of the other names from the Nifty, which are cooling off this morning. A lot of the auto stocks had a great last week, so there's some profit taking today. Mid-cap index, by the way, has already slipped into the negative territory. So that's something to watch. Nigel?
Well, that's right. A few stocks actually that deserve special mention. I think MV Photovoltaic, that's a stock that listed last week. That's down closer on 4% or thereabouts. Hindustan Aeronautics, HAL, there was a big difference in pre-open on the BSE and the NSE. However, that has corrected itself, I think so. So now that arbitrage between the BSE as well as the NSE, both the rates are more or less similar at around 4,440. In pre-open, there was a large difference between the two out there. HG Infra, there's some positive news flow that's come in there, explains why that stock is bursting away. It's up closer on 4%. You have Karnataka Bank, that's actually an outperformer from the banking stocks. It's up 4.5%, good move out there. And Grow, very, very volatile stock, for the last few trading sessions post its listing. Currently, that stock is up close to around 2.5%. So that's one of the big movers today on decent volumes. You have Physicswala, the other one that's been fairly volatile, listed at a 40% premium, then corrected to 120 rupees. It's down 2% and volumes quite large as well. So net, markets, the Nifty that is, holding well in the green with a gain. But as we mentioned earlier, Nifty is moving to all-time highs. Portfolios are not feeling like that because the mid-cap and the small-cap indices have actually underperformed.
Absolutely. You got what Karnataka Bank, as Nigel mentioned, which has come up. Actually, Friday's session was very, very large for Karnataka Bank. It basically went from 175 to Friday's close of almost 190. And it's up to almost 200 now. So, 2 days now. That's pretty, almost like 15% kind of gains coming in here. NBCC is the other one, I think, which is trying to make a comeback. NetWeb is up about 1.5%. Shelly Engineering is coming up with volumes at this point. It's come off the highs. I mean, highs were about 2,800. But it's been a super, super performing stock, no doubt. I think Shyam Metallic, there's coverage on this one, so 4% on Shyam. M&M Finance, 2% higher at this point. There is Team Lease, I think we mentioned it, 9% on Team Lease, right? It's been kind of sideways for a long time now. I think if you just go back almost prices are the same levels where the stock's been about, 7-8 years ago on Team Lease. Action Construction Equipment is up about 3.5%, and so it goes.
Just two more stocks, Prashant. I don't know if you guys mentioned these or not. HG Infra and Kalpatru.
Yeah, I mentioned.
Yeah, that combination that's won that Thane Metro viaduct. These two, still up 5 to 6%. So big high flyers there.
Yeah, absolutely.